in today's program of Easy, Fast and Smart English. We'll once again talk about the basic and most significant things of English language. Rise and shine, be happy in your life. Let's begin our journey. In this sentence structure, we can see that subject is the doer of an action. Then we have verb. Verb is subdivided into categories as helping verb and principal verb. And then we have the object. Subject is the doer of an action. Object is the receiver of an action. In the last program, we talked about verb in detail. In today's lecture, we'll be focusing upon the subject and object. What are they and how they are used in a sentence? Subject is either a noun or a pronoun. It means that in the place of a subject, either we write a noun or a pronoun. Same is the case with object. An object can be a noun or a pronoun. In other words, only a noun or a pronoun can take the place of an object. What do we mean by noun and pronoun? Let's look at it further. Noun is a name of anything around us, like person, place, or thing. A noun can be name of any person, like Peter, like Sam, like child, like man, woman, unspecified person. Then it can be name of any place, like city, village, like river, like Lahore, London, Paris, Sahara. It can be name of any place, anything. Table, chair, wall, light, sun, moon, stars. They are names of things around us. Natural things or man-made things. All things are included. So, name of any person, place, or thing would be a noun. Then we move to the second block where idea has been written. We have feelings, we have emotions, and we have given names to these feelings and emotions like happiness, boredom, sadness. Then we have given names to some thoughts which does not exist physically, but they only exist in our minds, like truth, lie, honesty. These words, these ideas and such things, they are also in the category of a noun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. In other words, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A pronoun has many kinds, but the most important one is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be divided in two categories as subjective case and objective case. Pronouns can come in the beginning of a sentence as a doer or as a receiver of an action as object. But when they changes places, there is a little change in them as well. When a personal pronoun I comes in a subjective case position, it is I. As an objective case, it is me. We as a subject. An objective case is us. You is the both subjective case and objective case. If it is as a doer, still it is you. If it is a receiver of an action, it is still you. He is the subjective case. Him is the objective case. She, subjective. Her, objective. It can both come as subject or object. It doesn't change. They is the subjective case. Them is the objective case. So these are the personal pronouns, and once again I'm telling, if they are coming as a subject, as a doer, they have some different words. When they are referring to the people, they are referring towards a noun, the words are different, and when they come as an object, they have some different words. Let's move toward the example. This is an example of present progressive or present continuous. Subject, we can see the structure, subject, helping verb, principal verb, and object. Subject is Peter, or in place of Peter we can use he. Peter is watching TV, or we can say he is watching TV. So Peter and he are the subjects, TV is the object. In the next example, we see the structure of past progressive. Subject, once again we have the same structure. There's a subject, then we have helping verb, then we have principal verb, then we have the object. He was drinking juice. When we say he was drinking juice, he is a pronoun or a noun? Yes, you are definitely very right, it's a pronoun. And as a noun we can use Sam or any other given name. He was drinking juice. Sam was drinking juice. In place of juice, we can use it. He was drinking it, or Sam was drinking it. Now in place of a noun, juice, we have used a pronoun it. In the last program, we talked about the negative sentences. Today we'll be looking at some interrogative sentences. The link of the first program would be given in the description. You can go and check. It's the second program in the continuation of the first program. Is Johnny eating ice cream? Now the helping verb comes in the beginning of a sentence. Is Johnny eating ice cream? Johnny is a noun. And in place of Johnny, we can use he. Is he eating ice cream? The past progressive we used was Johnny or was Ellie playing cricket? Was she eating ice cream? The second block we have used are or were, which are used for the plural nouns or the plural pronouns. Are people flying kites? Were we watching drama? Were they eating ice cream? So these are the examples of progressive tense in present and past. So this was today's show of Basic English series. I hope you would have liked it. It's all about easy, fast and smart English with Mustafa Hussain from Smart Trainings. I hope you will be enjoying the shows and you will be learning with them. See you next time. Rise and shine and move further and fast in your life. Take care.